Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to write a Python program to find the area of a circle. And we are not going to write it in an ordinary way because we will be using Python's math library to find it. So let's begin. As you know, area of a circle is pi r square, where pi is the constant with the value 3.14 and r is the radius of the circle whose area we need to find out. So now we'll write the program in such a way that it will ask us to input the radius. To do that, we'll use the input function which will ask the user to input the radius. This radius entered by the user will be collected in a variable r. So we first declare a variable r and then we'll write equal to sign and then we'll write input function within whose brackets we will write enter the radius. Now this radius we will pass to a function which we will call area of circle. Let's code this function now. So it will be def area of circle and it will accept the parameter. We are going to call it rad, which represents radius of the circle. And now we'll import Python's math class, for which we'll write import math. Now we'll write just one line of code to calculate the area of the circle. Thus we'll declare a variable area and after the equals to sign, we will write math.py. So math module provides the constant math.py representing the value of pi with high precision, and then we'll write the multiplication sign and finally the pow function, which is available in the math module that represents power, in whose brackets we'll write rad, comma 2. So it is self-explanatory that pow function will compute rad to the power of 2. That means radius to the power of 2. That's it. We'll now return this area and our program is finished now. Let's run this and check if it gives the desired output. As expected, it's asking for the radius. So let me enter 2 and hit enter. And our program has thrown an error. So what went wrong? Our program was perfect. Let me tell you that the input function in Python returns a string. So when I entered 2 as the radius, it was returned or assigned as a string to this variable r rather than an integer. And then it was passed to this function area of circle, and when we used it as a function argument within the pow function, it threw an error because the pow function accepts an integer variable. It doesn't accept a string. So that is what is wrong with our program. To fix this, we are going to cast this variable r as integer like this. Now if we run the program, it's going to ask for the radius again. I entered 2, I hit enter, and there you go. The area of the circle is calculated, whose radius is 2. Now you can see that the scale here is too big. Means the area is getting calculated with a lot of digits after the decimal point. Thus we can use the round function to round it off to 2 decimal places. So we will take the entire computation of the area of the circle within the round function and will give another parameter to it, which will be 2. Means the area will be computed to 2 decimal places. And let's run this program again. Let me enter the radius as 2 again and hit enter. There you go. We got the area of the circle calculated to 2 decimal places. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning the Python program to compute the area of a circle from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.